Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how Zed MSME Gold Certification Assessment Form you can download for free. So Zed is an Indian standard for quality and control designed by MSME department. And it has three standards, there is bronze, silver and gold. So today we are going to see how the gold certification works, what kind of assessment form you need, and that is available for free on NiftySOL.com. So all you have to do is go to NiftySOL.com, the website, and there you have to go to blog and then click on Zed Gold Checklist link, as you can see. And once you click on download button or read more button or image icon, you will see the download Zed Gold Certificate Checklist for free page. Click on the pop-up that is coming up, free PDF, enter your email and name. Make sure that you write the correct email ID because you will get the link of the PDF in your valid email ID. So we'll just enter the email and name and click on download for free PDF button. It will show you welcome to NiftySOL. So you have successfully accessed our PDF. Click on the link that you receive on your email inbox. So let's go and find out on email. So NiftySOL. So you have the email. Please confirm your email address to receive the free PDF. So once you click on it, it will load the free gold certificate checklist for you. Remember, this is the assessment form that has been given by MSME that you can use for education purpose and to do your internal audits basically. So it has number of pages, all the checklist points that is derived from MSME department that you can use it to do the internal audit. So that's you can download the button and click on download button to download this assessment form and keep it for your internal audit. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.